Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'm going to show you the Manscaped Beard Hedger trimmer in action, and I use this thing probably every couple weeks. Now, if you are familiar with my channel, I actually just reviewed their Chairman Pro electric shaver. I went all the way down the skin. I haven't done that in like 2 years. I like a little bit of stubble, but not too long. This is getting a little bit longer than I like. So, quick little fix for this. I've done this before church in a matter of minutes. Let's get right on into it. I have a full video about it if you want to see all the specs and all that, but I'm just going to show you how it works and is it worth it. Okay, butting in real quickly here. I am actually done, but before we do get started, I do want to mention, after watching this video, if you do want to purchase the Beard Hedger or any of their other products and want to get 20% off and free shipping on whatever you purchase, including the Beard Hedger, top link in the description box below will be that link. It'll take you over to Manscaped's website. Automatically 20% will be applied and free shipping for you. Now, let's trim this up. But I will show you a couple of really cool features right here. So, you have your scroll wheel right here, which has your numbers already right there. So you literally just scroll it over with your thumb, and I'll show you that. I like about 6.5 up here on my mustache area. And then I like 5.5, 5.5 on my beard. And then we're gonna pull off the guard for our neck area right here, as well as the back, and then your cheeks right here as well. So literally go from your neck, take the guard, pop that on, and twist your scroll wheel, and the battery lasts a very long time. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Battery indicator. And let's go ahead and rip it on down. Okay, so 5.5, we're gonna go all the way up to my sideburns, but not like going into my sideburns. But again, we're just ripping right through my chin area on 5.5. But I'm not touching my mustache area. That will be for 6.5. All right, this is how easy it is. I turn it off, 2 thumb clicks over to 6.5. Let's get my mustache. Blade guard comes off, and this is where some hair got trapped under there, but it's just on my countertop right here. As in, it collects under there, so do be a little careful. That looks great already. I'm gonna take it a step further, and I trim down my mustache a little bit so it's not as Ned Flanders thick. So again, I took off the guard. Now I got the metal blade here. I'm gonna look in the mirror a little bit more so I don't goof it up looking at the small LCD screen. My cheeks as well, and then my upper lip right here as well. So you can see I thinned it down a little bit right through here so it's not as Ned Flanders all the way up to my nose. Cheeks are looking great. Now let's get my neck. Absolutely stunning. Literally in a matter of minutes. Let's see, my clock on my camera has been going for 8 minutes, but that was with the introduction as well. With talking, I'd say that was probably 6 minutes. Start to finish, trimming a full beard, cutting around my lip, 6.5, 5.5, getting my neckline, neck hair on the back, don't forget about that as well. And it absolutely does a fantastic job. Again, like I said, it's just so easy. Guard goes on, guard goes off, thumb twists. I actually gave one to my brother, I think for Christmas, and he absolutely loves it. He's like, dude, it's like you just thumb wheel and then you go, and then you can go super long. And again, if you are wondering, it goes from 0.5 all the way to 10 on the scroll wheel. So check out my full video if you are interested. I'll link it below as well. But I think it is an absolutely awesome little trimmer. On a side caveat, so is the Weed Whacker 2.0 for nose and ear hair. I do use this, and guys, don't be like going like this in the car and picking it. That's very bad for your nose hairs. So just get the Weed Whacker 2.0, zip in there, because there's sometimes where I'm vlogging on my other channel and I'm holding the camera a little bit too low and I was like, whoops, should have used the Weed Whacker 2.0 on those nose hairs. That's not what ladies want to see, my friends, or your wives. They don't want to see that. Anyway, that works great as well. Again, if you want to get 20% off and free shipping, it's honestly a fantastic trimmer. Then use my direct link in the description box below, grab 20% off and free shipping for not only the Beard Hedger, but anything Manscaped offers. I'm actually wearing their Boxers 2.0 right now. Super soft and comfortable. I really love those as well. You guys have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it has helped you make an informed decision. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I'm making a video about. But if you have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. Once again, top link in the description box below. And if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out. Bye-bye.